Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have iPhone 16 Pro Max in very bad condition. My customer just dropped this phone and you can see the screen is totally destroyed right now and the back as well. So in this case we are going to change iPhone 16 LCD. Right now his phone is alive. So I already opened the bottom screws here and already heat up the screen with the help of heat gun. I use heat gun with this pattern, so here phone get be heat up. So here I am going to open this one. So first I am going to use a blade. I am going to place this blade between the body and the screen. So here we go. Now I am going to use alcohol here, so the glue inside the screen gets soft. Okay, so here I'm going to pull up the screen here like this, and here you can see there is a gap is coming between the body and the screen. So here I am going to use a plastic pen here, so screen get be pull up easily. Here we go, and I'm going to open like this. Now on the other side. The screen is totally destroyed. You can see here the glass is totally separate from the bottom body. So here we go, and here there is a heavy dent on this here. So here I am going to pull up the screen softly so it not will get further damage. So here we go. Here I am going to use alcohol again. Okay, one corner is loose, the other corner is the left one is still stuck, and here we go. So whenever you going to open this phone, so you just need to flip the S16 Pro Max screen on your left side, because you can see here, I will show you here, there is two flexes here, one is display flex and one is proximate sensor flex. So if you flip this phone or screen on the right side, so might be you can damage the flexes here. So here I'm going to use a sport here, and there are 3-star screws, and I am going to use my 3-star screwdriver. So here I am going to first unplug the display flex, and here we go, and display flex is free now. Now I'm going to going to open unplug the proximate sensor, and going to unplug the proximate sensor here, and now the screen is totally free. So here you can, might be my camera not saying not show you, you can see there is a heavy dent on the body. I don't know how my customer managed this one. So now we are going to remove the proximate sensor. For the proximate sensor, we are going to use heat gun. So with the help of heat gun, I will remove this one. First, we have there are 3-star screwdriver screw. So here we are going to open this one first, and here we go. Now I'm going to heat up the screen with the help of heat gun on here. So inside this proximate sensor glue get be soft. So I already heat up the screen now. So let's remove this proximate sensor. So this thing is still hard, so I heat up the screen again. So hopefully it need to be take it off. Yeah. So here's the proximate sensor. So now we are going to move our new screen. Okay guys, here's our new screen, and here we're going to start first attaching our proximate sensor here. And here we go. So first we are going to place our plate here. Now I'm going to tie this plate here. So here are 3-star screw. So here we done. For that one I'm going to place a small tiny drop of glue so it can be stuck with the screen, and by the time it get hard and it will not take off. Okay, so let's move on our screen. So here I'm going to use a spot here again, so our screen will not be dropped. So here we go. Display is connected now. So let's move on our proximate sensor. And here we go. Now I'm going to place our plate here. So first we are going to close this one, proximate sensor one. So there are 3-star screw again. And it's done. Now we are going to move display flags here. And here we go. So I'm going to remove this display spot here. So whenever you are going to close the phone, so you just need to start from the top. Okay, you just need to place our first hooks on the top one, then other hooks automatically set up on the body. So here you can see it perfectly fit on the phone body now. So in this way you just need to tighten now bottom screw here. So in this way you can change the screen of iPhone 16 Pro Max in easy and proper way. So if this video a little bit helped you, like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, it means a lot for me. So peace.